Okay, this is the finished product. I got it all wired. I hooked up a switch here. Really can't see too much of it. Anyway, I hooked up a switch. Trying to get some light on the subject. Got so much stuff in my garage. Anyway, supposed to shut off right around 125 psi. It's nice and quiet. I put the guard on it. And that's about it. Let's see if I can. Yeah. That's the switch I installed. On and off. Gauge is working good. And there you go. It shuts right off. This was a 3-phase. This is a 1.5 horse Craftsman motor I put on here. Got the switch wired in, on and off. So no air leaks. It's all airtight. Toshiba. Toscon. I never heard of it. Some Japanese or Chinese product. These are cast iron wheels. I was told it was a 21-gallon tank. All cast iron. There's drain on the bottom of it. Oil window right there. Everything's strong cast iron on this, so this should be the last compressor I ever need. And I'm going to be selling my other Craftsman air compressor, and I don't need it anymore. So this sucker's just going to sit nice and quietly. Other than that, I'm set. This is what I'm going to be using to do all my sandblasting with. I can operate air tools, spray paint. It's beautiful. So it's a pretty big unit for a shop. And I'm actually running a new circuit breaker out of my panel, and this will have its own line to run off of. So it'll be nice, good current. Won't draw too much off the other garage stuff. That's it.